And then this is the entrance to the master. The master's changed quite a bit. We took down the bulkhead on the top. We're gonna do all custom cabinetry. So it's gonna be a reach-in closet rather than a walk-in closet, but it is still a ton of space. What we're actually doing is we're gonna be getting rid of, well, we got rid of it already, but the tub is gone. So what we're doing is you can see here that he's got his laser pointer, and what he's actually doing is creating a new wall. The new wall will be located right where that red line is. So we're gonna go as close to that black pipe as possible. You'll notice that the bedroom is actually about 1.5 to 2 feet wider, which will allow for a king bed and 2 generous nightstands. So I'm actually really pleased with our decision to remove the tub. We've completely ripped out all of the closets, and we have this gorgeous wardrobe. Now, every single one of these has customized storage space. So for example, we've got awesome pant racks. They pull out, you can flip through them, and it just makes going through clothing that much easier, right? So I really believe that everything should have a spot in your home, and if it doesn't, you need to find one. So that's a really, really nice feature. We also have an amazing ironing board. So the ironing board, again, it's really, really simple. You just pull it out and you're ready to go. We've got an outlet and an iron right there. And when you're done with it, you just push it back, fold it over, and close the door, and it's the easiest thing to iron. I hate ironing, and this has made my life so much easier. So the wardrobe overall, I'm just super pleased with. We've also have some amazing hidden storage, like the hidden laundry. Really easy to separate clothes because we've got 2. We also have partitions for jewelry, and it just makes finding my jewelry so much easier. The bedroom area of the master bedroom is just about complete. We've installed this gorgeous wallpaper, and it makes such a difference to the space. We also have installed a quartz countertop, and then we have a TV. So now on this side, we're gonna have this beautiful large mirror with a chair for a vanity area. We're having beautiful drapery being installed, and we've also accommodated for power right near the corner of the window, so that when you want to go to sleep, it's automated, so you can just say, "Hey Siri, close the curtains," and they will actually close for you, which is so awesome. One of the things that I do recommend is if you are installing wallpaper and you have extra wallpaper, which is quite often the case, one of the things you can do with it is actually line your drawers. So this just makes your drawers look kind of pretty, and it still coordinates with the rest of the space. So the back wall, this is gonna be our headboard wall. So we're having a built-in headboard. Now the headboard is actually gonna be positioned on the lower portion of the wall. And then we have a LED light strip, which is gonna run across the top of that headboard. And the LED light will shine upwards, highlighting this beautiful grass cloth. So when the lights are off and you wanna watch a movie, all you have to do is turn that light on, and it just creates a really beautiful mood. And a lot of the time, lighting is meant to not just light up a space, but create a mood. We've gone ahead, and because we gained a little bit of space from the tub, the headboard wall is actually larger, which means we were able to fit not only a king bed, but 2 3-foot nightstands. So the master bedroom just feels ginormous. We also went ahead and did a black and white theme. So we did black and white wallpaper. We also have the black and white artwork. And then we've brought in a lot of blush and burgundy. So you'll notice the burgundy drapery with the black shears. You'll notice the blush headboard, and then just small little details that really bring the place together. The lamps are super sculptural. The bed is nice and dark and rich. And when I come into this room now, honestly, it's like an oasis after a long day of work.